Madison Kyle. Thomas Spencer. Kate Jones. Maddie Gallagher. CJ Longo. Diane Blair. Laura Hickman. Jack Stewart. Sophia Warner. Michaela Walker. Michael Archibald. Stephanie Tanner. Cole Peterson. Cole Lackock. Lucas McDuffie. Can you give these guys a round of applause for showing great character this year? Thanks to Lucas Shepard. Will the teachers in our crowd please stand up and be recognized? These are the most amazing people. Let's give them a round of applause. I will tell you that they make my job easy most days. Maybe a great day around the coach this year. We have some retirements this year. Mrs. Turner will be retiring from teaching. Whatever Mrs. Turner, please stand, Mrs. Turner. Leaving this year, moving on to some other locations will be Mrs. Patton in the back 6th grade, Mrs. Patton. Mrs. Hackett, moving to the other side of town to you guys a little round of applause. Getting married. Mrs. Arona has been absolutely outstanding in art. Can you guys give her a round of applause? She is not just a teacher. Have her come up and down here. Where's Mrs. Scott? Stand up, Mrs. Scott. She's retiring from the cafeteria. Oh my goodness. They're looking more dancing now. Double thing before we get started with the new website program. I want to tell everybody that our kids play in almost every school championship for sports in the desert. Give them a big round of applause. Our kids in the math challenge compete as teams, and we pick the top kids in the competition to represent our district. And over half of the kids on the competition team came from this campus. Not to mention, Elizabeth Mott won the spelling bee. Awesome! Okay, this year we raised more than $40,000 in tax credit donations thanks to your generous donations, parents. We really appreciate it. Lots of programs happening on our campus. We appreciate it. Project Playground PTO raised $14,800 to drive around the work on the playground. Thank you, PTO. That was awesome. This really is fabulous. All right, with that said, you guys ready to move on? I don't think that other school earlier. Are you ready to move on? Who's the seventh graders, please stand. Repeat after me. Finally, here we go. I promise to be a leader and a role model for the younger children. To participate in school activities. To have school pride and spirit. I promise to respect my teachers. My parents. My peers. And myself. I promise to do my best at all of my schoolwork and persevere with those challenges I struggle. I will be the best 8th grader Repeat after me. I promise to be an outstanding leader and a role model for the younger kids to participate in school activities with all my heart and soul. I promise to respect my teachers, have the best school spirit and pride ever. I promise to do all of my schoolwork, read a lot, and work hard to be the best 7th grader ever. Oh my goodness, you get to move to the leader. Go carefully. We may not be able to get all of you on there. We're going to need more teachers. Representative to other kids from other schools. I promise to respect my teachers, my peers, and myself. I promise to do my best in school and to read a lot. I promise to be the best 5th grader ever. My peers, and myself. Congratulations, you are 4th grader. Move back. Okay. Are there any 2nd graders? Please stand. And work hard at school. I promise that school spirit, school pride. I promise to respect my teachers, my peers, and myself. I promise to be a super 3rd grader. Congratulations, you are a 3rd grader. Okay, all your You guys gotta listen. I promise to be a great second grader. Learn my math facts. Read about it. And be awesome. I promise to respect everyone. Especially myself. My teachers. And my parents. I promise to be proud of my school and myself. Congratulations, you are now second grade. You are now. Parents, if you start making some new grades, and then pizza from the grade second. You might stay upstairs and stay up. All right, are you ready? I promise to work on my reading and my math. I promise to respect everyone, especially myself and my teachers and my parents. I promise to be proud. And a boy, I promise to be proud of my school. I promise to be proud of myself. I promise to be the best first grader ever. Congratulations, you are our first grade.
Robots march! Robots hop! Robots turn!
Hey, kid presidents!
We're the West Star Comet.
In Goodyear, Arizona! And we took your challenge!
To be more awesome, during October, our 5th grade class
Collected 239 pairs of socks!
and our school collected
Nearly 2,000 pairs!
that's 2,000 hugs.
For homeless feet!
Hashtag Stoptober.
Hashtag be more awesome!
Thanksgiving, Thanksgiving, Thanksgiving Day. We are so blessed in so many ways. Thanksgiving, Thanksgiving, Thanksgiving Day.
And they all had a wonderful
Happy Thanksgiving!
A country that's free.
A country that's free.
Thanksgiving, Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving, Thanksgiving Day. We are so blessed in so many ways. Thanksgiving, Thanksgiving, Thanksgiving Day. We should.
Mr. Tom Turkey was strutting about. His colorful tail was all camped. Did he tell you of Thanksgiving Day? Gobble, 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 gobble. It's all he would say.
Christmas is in your heart.
Weather outside is frightful, but the fire's so delightful. And since we no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Walking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop.
December is the season when there is magic in the air. Special time when there is peace on earth and happiness everywhere.
Whatever happened to Christmas?
Give me more volume.
The nicest time of the year.
So excited. The drummer boy's drumming. You see, dear Santa, the West Star Kinders are coming.
Clear the deck, shine the sleigh. It's coming our special day. We're looking sharper, feeling fine. Let's go meet our knight to shine.
You should hear Santa's jingle in the snow, then you'll know just where you have to go.
How we ever get this far? My GPS, VCPR. Will someone call the FAA? I think we really have lost our way. Lost our way. Really, 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 really lost our way. Ding dong, ring-a-ling-a-ling. Listen to the magic as the whole world starts to ring. Ding dong, ring-a-ling.
It's perfectly true, and the jingle in my heart says Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Jingle in my knees. Jingle in the snowbank and jingle up in the tree.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along.
traditions, our lives will be shaking as the fiddler on